Hey guys, Bearski here. You can now get Discord installed straight from the Meta store. And yes, you can stream your gameplay. Just don't use the Meta screen recording utility or you're going to have a bad day. Here's footage streamed in Discord to my iPhone just to show you that it is working. Just took me a while to figure out why it kept bugging, but yes, you cannot do screen recording while you're streaming. Just keep that in mind. So here's the June 30th blog saying Discord is now officially live for Quest headsets. Yes, there are bugs. Yes, there is some permission set up. Follow along and get her done. Now go to the Meta store and download, install Discord. Just search for it. It's there. It only has a 3-star rating. It's just people that are coming across these bugs as this is the first version of it. So go ahead and open Discord. Sign in with your account info. Yeah, I'm not going to show you what mine is, so just get yours done and move on. You can also go to the corners to enlarge or shrink your window, as I'm showing here. If you click on settings, congrats, you found one of the really annoying showstopper bugs. You will need to shrink and enlarge the Discord window to close the settings button. It's what I'm showing you here. Moving the screen, shrinking and enlarging the screen will get you back to the main screen for Discord. Now to get your permissions. Best way I found, just go make a call. Call your buddy, call yourself, it doesn't matter, just get into a call. Get Discord to open the permissions settings page, as is shown right here. I would say these are the toggles that I turned on that gave me the best stability. You want to toggle the virtual camera, the headset camera, the microphone, and give permissions for your audio, photo, and video files. Allow for Discord to access them. Now let's go ahead and start a video call for real this time. You're going to see your avatar mirror you. It's head tracking. It somehow knows when you blink and has roughly, as you talk into the microphone, it opens its mouth. It's kind of uncanny, but there you go. Now, you want to resize the Discord window so that you see the control dashboard. That's this part here. Click and drag this dashboard up. Now you're going to see the you're going to see share your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Click on the try it now for mobile screen share. Click on the entire view option and click share. And you are done. Again, screen recording will break streaming and crash the app. There are also other bugs, but Discord and Meta are aware of it and working on it. Remember, this is just the first version of it. Thanks for liking. Please consider liking and subscribing. Bearski out.